Script breakdown with timestamps. 0:00:05 Hook grab attention. Want to make viral pro-level videos in just minutes? CapCut Pro is your secret weapon. 0:00:60:15 Intro clip. Show CapCut Pro interface. Let me show you how to create stunning edits with CapCut Pro, step by step. Visual suggestion, quick montage of edits, cuts, overlays. 0:16:0:30 Step 1. Import and cut. Step 1. Import your clips. Trim out the boring parts using the split and delete tools. Visual, screen recording of trimming a clip in CapCut. 0:31:0:45 Step 2. Add effects and text. Now add cinematic effects, smooth transitions, and bold text to tell your story. Visual, use trending transitions plus animated text. 0:46:01 Step 3. Music and sound design. Select background music from CapCut's library. Sync it with your cuts for extra impact. Visual, show CapCut music selection, wave syncing. 1:01:11 Outro CTA. And just like that, your video is ready to go viral. Try CapCut Pro and level up your editing now. Add your branding, subscribe button, or follow CTA CapCut Pro tips. Use the keyframe tool to animate clips text. Apply motion blur for smoother transitions. Explore 3D zoom and auto captions for reels.